Hello, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Today the question is m raised to the power m is equal to 5 and we have to find the value of m. The solution is m raised to the power m is equal to 5. Taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Log m raised to the power m is equal to log 5. Now we use formula log a raised to the power b is equal to b log a. Now this becomes m log m is equal to log 5. Now we use e log x is equal to x. Using this formula, we write it e raised to the power e log m log m is equal to log 5. Now we write it log m is log m e raised to the power log m is equal to log 5. Now using formula a is equal to a. Therefore it becomes log m is equal to log 5, and now we change it e log m is equal to e log 5. Now m is equal to e log 5, which is our answer. Thanks. Please give your opinion in the comments. Thanks.